Unbox with me the LED 800 Pro RGB light kit that I bought to help boost my content. Let's get right into it. As I said, these are packages that I bought to help boost my online content, and also I also bought some SD cards to help me able to shoot longer. It came with a tripod, but then we would look at that in a minute. But then if you open the package, it comes with its own remote, and out of the box there is no battery in the remote, and so you'd have to purchase a separate battery to use it. Then also it comes with this rotatable neck that you'd have to unscrew. That is where you'd screw or you mount the light on, and you'll be able to rotate it for different angles. This package also came with two batteries. This is one, and then there is the other battery in the package as well that you can use. Then also it has its own battery charger, so you do not charge the battery in the light, you place it inside the battery charger and then you plug it. Then also the light has a power supply unit in which you can plug directly and use without the battery, and so I'm going to demonstrate how you'll be able to do that in a minute. But then all you need to do is to plug it in and then you turn it on. When I started, I was finding it difficult to be able to turn on this light, but then I figured it out. And so let's unwrap this thing and then plug it in, and let me show you what I am talking about. So this is how the main light looks. It has this flaps that you can just open it and then use it. It closes as well, so once you're done using it, you just need to fold the flaps. And this is how the back also looks like. The two compartment there is for the batteries, then the power button, and then the light control knob, and where you place the power supply cable. So this is how it looks. This is how big it is. For me, it is satisfactory, and so let's just plug it and see how it looks like. If you're watching this video, make sure you give us a thumbs up, and then let me know what you think about this light in the comment section. Are there any questions, suggestions? Please put them in the comment section. Make sure you subscribe and put us on post notifications so that whenever we drop more unboxing videos like this, you would be notified. And so when you plug it in and you turn the light on by double pressing it, you have to wait for this blue light to come on. And then at first you struggle, but then you just need to press the first knob, press it in to turn it on, and then the next button you press it in to activate the colors. And so there are quite a number of colors: green, blue, red, orange, depending on how you want to do and how you want the setup to be.